what we wanted to do was create a world जो कि contrast में था. तो अगर हमारी बहुत हाई टेक टेक्नोलॉजी थी, what ended up happening was the world became very analog, very old, like पुराना था. हमारा सेलिब्रिटी आखिरी मेरे ख्याल में 30 सेकंड में दिखता है 14 मिनट के ऐड में. हमारा लोगो कहीं नहीं है. You know, so these were all contrasts of what we wanted to do because we realized कि we're a new brand, we're an entrant brand. हमारे पास वो मीडिया डॉलर्स ही नहीं हैं जो कि बड़े एस्टेब्लिश्ड FMCGs के पास होते हैं. We wanted to do something that would be remembered. If the ad would be recalled and remembered, our job was done, right? So everything that we had strategically done, creatively, so we'll get to it. Lekin strategically, everything that we did was along those lines. पूरे ad में हमारी app है AI की और आपको पूरे ad में कुछ भी digital नहीं दिखेगा, you know. So उस contrast में setup हुआ था.
We've been talking about film noir for some
On the
reason.
side.
On the side.
कि कितना अच्छा होता है.
Because I was expressing my interest in wanting to make a feature film, and all of that coagulated into this one thing.
Yeah.
What if, and this is actually inspired somewhat by Citizen Kane, this
बिल्कुल.
one investigator who's trying to find out what this Raz is from all these other people, but not directly Shahzad, at least not initially.
हाँ.
So वो वहाँ से कहानी बनना
क्योंकि
शुरू
वो
हुई थी।
पॉपुलर कल्चर का, पाकिस्तान के पॉपुलर कल्चर का तो सबसे मुश्किल सवाल है.
हाँ इंटरनेट का.
Yeah, so we said कि the awareness exists strategically. अगर तो insight exist करती है, awareness exist करती है उस चीज़ की audience में, so that you don't have to harp to create a problem. They already know the problem, you're giving them the solution via the ad. तो हमारे लिए strategically it also made a lot of sense.
दुनिया का सबसे मुश्किल केस और सबसे मुश्किल सवाल, शहजाद रॉय की सेहत का राज.
Well, actually, it started as an idea that was going to be 3-4 minutes. कि इसको हम we'll compress it and we'll kind of tell a quick story in montage. वो मैं बाबर और हमजा मिले एवरग्रीन पे and I gave them a sort of basic plot. Boom, ये है. अब मेरे दिमाग में था कि 3-4 मिनट में हो जाएगा. When I started to write the script, I remember my first draft was 12 and a half pages, which is essentially 12 and a half minutes of screen time. And I was like, यार बाबर ने तो कहना ये सारा काट दो. मैंने कहा ठीक है चलो. I fixed it up a bit, I cleaned it up as much as I could, and I took it to him. And I said, listen bro, ये 12 मिनट की बनी है, तो देख लेते हैं क्या काटना है. He read it, calls me the next day, he was like, बिल्कुल ठीक है, मसला ही नहीं है. ऐसा क्या मतलब कि you know I think you recognize that the flow of the film required a certain amount of runtime, and that the story was engaging enough, or you know the humor, the story, the characters, the world, all of that combined was engaging enough that it, like you said, doesn't matter what the
wisdom
length
तो
is.
वही है ना कि चलो ठीक है, shorts देखते हैं, TikTok देखते हैं सारे, but that's a much younger audience, right? That's not our audience. Our audience is more people who will consume content, but also on the flip side, लंबा content consume तो हो रहा है ना Netflix पे. Movies तो देख रहे हैं लोग. It's not like Hollywood has died. Yes, absolutely. Dramas long form देख रहे हैं, episodic वो देख रहे हैं. They're following them. So as long as the content is nice, we figured we were in a good spot. The only thing I remember technically हमने क्या discuss किया था कि we said कि it's not like we disregarded this premise कि लोगों का attention span छोटा है. Obviously, we're very aware of it. So there's this formula that we did called jokes per minute. So जब हम स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रहे होते तो हम कहते थे यार इसका jokes per minute कम हो रहे हैं इस पार्ट में.
Every scene has to culminate in a punchline.
So
of
there was
some
a
sort.
lot of writing in
Yeah.
jokes. So फिर once I looked at the screenplay, then I started writing in those jokes per minute वाले ना quirks, कि interrogation के sequences होंगे, तो उसमें जो लोग होंगे वो किस तरीके से क्या क्या बोल रहे होंगे. So we had to write in a lot more characters, and then the story started expanding. I think उस उधर से.
काफी spaghetti हुई थी, you know, like we had one idea here, one idea for the middle part, one idea for the beginning. So it was kind of scattered in a way that then we put structure to it. When it came into the screenplay, it kind of took its own form.
क्योंकि अपने डिटेक्टिव की भी कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट होनी थी. तो आई थिंक सबसे बड़ी endearment that we could have envisioned was कि वो बेचारा फर्स्ट प्राइज लेने जाता है और उसको
thinking it's the
हाँ,
world's most difficult case.
उस बेचारे को सेकंड प्राइज की ट्रॉफी दी जाती है. So just creating the trophy was pretty funny.
Yeah, which is right here.
We had to really figure out कि like it was structured in 3 parts, almost like a movie. There was a hero's journey of sorts, you know. उसका बहुत ज़रूरी था कि वो सारे parts को equal amounts of justice मिले. So we had to do a lot of plot twists. क्योंकि in the end हमने comedy लिखना शुरू की थी, बीच में हमें realize हो गया था कि we're writing a thriller. Like the mystery element of it, the plot twist, the reveal has to actually make sense.
The story had to stand on its own merit.
Yeah,
and its own kind of structure and journey, etc.
But generally absurd था. Like उसकी
अभी तो और ज़्यादा absurd था, हमने थोड़ा
बहुत
सा
ज़्यादा
tone down
absurd
किया
था. Generally like उसका जो ex manager था,
हाँ.
जो इतना बुढ़ा था, उसकी 300 साल पुरानी पेंटिंग जो थी, कब से जिंदा हो तुम शहजाद. लेकिन generally the idea was so bloody absurd कि उसके बाद सबसे पहले तो हमने कहा कि once we had something of a script जो हम कह सकते थे कि जी ये एक स्क्रीन प्ले है, डायरेक्शन है, थोड़े से मूड बोर्ड्स बनाए हम लोगों ने. We know we wanted to tell something film noir type, right? One of the Easter eggs was वो जब कहते हैं कभी धोखा नहीं देते और वो अपने भाई की गोटी आगे कर देता है, right? So like छोटी production design की चीज़ें, when the camera is panning up, जो Blu-ray brothers पड़े होते हैं, you know, so there's Ludo and there's fake Monopoly notes and
उसमें वो भी कहानी थी ना कि actually initially we were going to have them gambling, proper like playing, you know, for gold and money and all of that, and then we were all like,
it's not innocent enough.
It's not innocent enough. And
Yeah.
Babar was like, what if they're playing Ludo? And initially I was like, really?
Yeah.
Then I thought about it. I was like, actually that's
So
cool.
it was a very nice that you mentioned it. Tangible. It was a very tangible decision to make them play Ludo. So and we didn't want to leave it to production design. हमें फिर dialogue लिखना पड़ा उसमें कि क्योंकि लूडो में हमेशा ये होती है ना कि जब 3 दफ़ा 6 आए तो वो उसका बड़ा भाई होता है तो कहता हाँ तो कहता है 3 दफ़ा 6 18 खाने आ गए. तो हमने कहा इससे शुरू करते हैं. And there's another tangible decision that happened. We did not want to show any किस्म का violence या किसी किस्म का blood. So and it worked perfectly with the whole
Even
film
though I had
noir
a whole
वाला.
scene. Those scenes थे in fact जिसमें कुछ तरह Amjad goes and roughs up a couple of people.
So we then decided we wrote out the blood. We wrote out the violence. And it was very artistically shot. अगर आप वो उसकी लड़ाई का भी scene देखो, there's guns blazing, there's fists being thrown, लेकिन you don't see any of it, right? So that was again a very tangible decision.
Chris Nolan's Batman basically.
Yeah, कि हम लोगों ने पूरा उस world को consistent रखना है, उसको innocent भी रखना है, उसको comedic भी रखना है, but also serious भी रखना है उस चीज़ को.
Die Hard देखी सबने? उसकी बड़ी famous कहानी है कि the script was being rewritten literally on the day as they were going. Yeah. That was us. That was us like rewriting the jokes.
I think
on
we
the fly
have
as
at
well.
least 20 या 21 rewrites of the script and आज तक हमें ये भी नहीं पता 27 rewrites of the script and आज तक ये नहीं पता वो जो final script है वो किधर है because वो set पे कहीं ना कहीं घुमी हुई
और
है.
वो पेन
वो
में लिखी
पेन
जा
से
रही
हाँ
थी.
पेन से तो रोज सुबह I think there's a lot of shots of Hamza and I बैठे हुए ना we're penciling in those jokes कि इसको ये कहना चाहिए इसको ये कहना चाहिए इसको ये कहना चाहिए then we're sending it off. Jamal's writing in stuff and then रोज सुबह हमारी मीटिंग यही होती थी कि जी is this making sense in the context of the character, is the story arc making sense?
Consistent है कि नहीं?
हाँ तो फिर हम कहते थे अभी चेंज कर देते हैं. So you know we wrote it on the fly. Plot elements वगैरह सारे हमारे पास थे लेकिन
some of the jokes and the specific lines etc. we were tweaking.
One thing from a technical perspective ये थी कि क्योंकि it was film noir, half of the film was narrated by the protagonist. यानी कि डिटेक्टिव अमजद खुद ऑडियंस से नरेट कर रहे हैं. सो हमने वी हैड टू फिल्म इट इन अ वे कि यार अच्छा ये लाइंस इसकी है नहीं बाद में कर लेंगे तो फिल्म just film it उसके बाद we'll write down the
We had the basic kind of things of what needs to be said.
once we
and
have the
timing
scene
of
then
it.
we'll match his cadence and his tone to the scene, right? So there takes a lot of faith to go into a movie like that and then to shoot it उस तरीके से. But वो था. But then we started the production design of it.
किसी भी अच्छी इन्वेस्टिगेशन की शुरुआत तफ्तीश से होती है. शहजाद की सेहत का राज मुझे वही लोग बता सकेंगे जो उसे जानने का दावा करते हैं.
Yeah, and I was very specific कि उसको the world has to look very convincing, right? It can't. We're making film noir, so the world has to be true to the genre in that sense, right? कि जो tropes हैं genre के, the way that it's lit, the kind of sets that you have, the kind of wardrobe that you have, all of that needed to be really consistent and true to the genre. So उस पे बहुत मेहनत हुई थी and I think in the beginning I had already collected all the sort of references that I wanted in terms of the look and feel. And then our production designer, Sarah Vora, came in. Faraz Sheikh came in on the wardrobe. Mo Azmi came in on the lighting. All of us together really were able to stitch that world together in a way that was convincing. And my very specific instruction to everyone was, we can't make it hokey. It has to be convincing, it has to be realistic, but also not absurdist. We're not making fun of the genre.
It has
right?
to take itself seriously, warna it won't be funny. And he has to stay in character throughout. In fact, if you look at the movie again, Detective Amjad kahin has nahi rahe hote. Like, he's not a slapstick comedian
It's
who's
not
making
slapstick,
jokes,
yes,
right?
yes.
He is serious. This is happening to him. Aakhir mein wo aake puri unki, his collar is one way, his tie is the other way. He's all distraught, right? Because he's second best. So we just wanted it to be jahan pe he's taking himself seriously, because that's the essence of good comedy.
I am very specific about the way I frame my scenes. I'm very particular about where I put the camera, what the camera move is, what my actors blocking, etc. is. And there's a certain language that goes into film noir in terms of how it's shot. So there was a lot of research done considering all of that and bringing that language into it. So usme I think kam se kam 2 mahine humne lagaye the just working out every single shot. And I also like to
Yeah, it's a 2-month process.
I like to visualize everything before we even go to shoot. So all of the scenes, in a sense, I want to be able to see in the mind's eye. So वो मेरे लिए बड़ा ज़रूरी है. And we got Maaz Jan, who's a really talented illustrator, to help us with the storyboards. So all of those shots were actually put together on our board, and we knew exactly how each scene was going to play out.
Yeah, the only thing we know for sure is it's analog. मतलब उस पूरी, and maybe we don't even know that. Maybe like that's something we know, but maybe you guys might not have noticed. लेकिन उस पूरी चीज़ में, उस पूरी film में, there was nothing digital, because we wanted the only digital thing to be कि वो आखिर में जब ऐप निकाल के फ़ोन दिखाता है,
And he breaks the fourth
and he
wall.
breaks the fourth wall. That's when you come back into this world, जो कि the world that you depart from while you're consuming a good piece of content उस वक्त थोड़ी देर के लिए.
And we were very specific about, because film noir traditionally and historically is monochrome, black and white. So obviously that doesn't translate so well in sort of today's social media, digital age.
14
right?
minute ad, black and white.
Black and white, that's really pushing it.
Yeah.
So the color tone was very specific. It was all staying in kind of a two-tone situation, browns and beiges and a bit of sort of dark green. So it kind of lends itself, or rather upholds the tradition of that duochrome, monochrome kind of scenario.
Jamal came, parked himself and his team in our offices for about a good 10 days. सारे दफ्तर को war room बनाया हुआ था. उसको, like sketching out each and every scene, each and every चीज़ के कपड़े का डिज़ाइन. फिर वहीं से सारा चीज़ लोग ना कि कपड़ों का डिज़ाइन कैसा होना चाहिए, overcoats, hats.
बकायदा look test हुए थे.
Yeah, and then we went back, like उसकी गाड़ी कौन सी होनी चाहिए, right?
Yeah, it was really hard finding
Yeah,
that
it was
car.
really hard finding an old.
There's a fun story. That car came with all of these doodads in it. वो steering wheel पे कुछ अजीब चीज़ लगी हुई, कोई पता नहीं digital speedometers लगे हुए. There were these like blue LED lights on the outside. We had to have all of that removed. Some digitally, some practically. कुछ चीज़ों हमें बस काली टेप लगानी पड़ी, those like LED lights and things. So it was
72 की हमारी version of a muscle car is a 72, 73 Corolla, right? So we had that. It was the perfect color. तो वो उसकी गाड़ी है जो उसको define करती है. तो ये सारी चीज़ें we had to figure it out.
हर किसी का costume अपना है, location अपनी है. So if you look through the interview section, most people are sitting in their own environments, and we kind of used a bit of the interrogation room as a one place that we come back to a little bit more, but otherwise everyone has their own.
हाँ, हर कैरेक्टर अपने उसमें बैठे हो ताकि हमें इंट्रोड्यूस ना करना पड़े कि ये क्या है.
And that requires visiting various locations to make the world more convincing, make it more expansive. वो एक कमरे के अंदर बंद होके सारा कुछ नहीं हो रहा. But like it's really important, these sort of details, and I think this is the only place in my life where being obsessive is actually a skill and helpful. Yeah. Because मैं इतना meticulous हो जाता हूँ फिर कि वो every single detail has to have that consistency, like even in terms of color tone, in terms of patterns, in terms of wardrobe, in terms of timing of each of the acts.
So one thing that we really like हम अपनी like AI company में we use a lot of project management softwares and tool trackers and deadline trackers. But इस case में like Jamal had introduced a process जिसको हम सारा whiteboard कर रहे थे हर चीज़ को. So it was an app called Mila Note. उसके ऊपर हमारे set boards बने हुए थे, casting की चीज़ें पड़ी हुई थी, screen plays पड़े हुए थे, every single thing that you want, frames पड़े हुए थे.
Everything creative.
Everything creative.
It's basically like a billboard. Yeah. It's a sort of a digital billboard, right? So you can put any kind of files on it. You can put any kind of documents, whatever you need.
अलग-अलग categorized थे. So like we'd go in, we'd give opinions on यार ये cast member ठीक है, ये नहीं है. You know, so Jamal would have all collated written feedback quickly. It's very easy because we didn't have to go back and forth उस पर. लेकिन सबसे अच्छी चीज़ थी, मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ी चीज़ ये थी कि on that one board, because इतनी सारी categories थी, soundtrack अलग, तो ये तो वो, you could see the entire film coming together before it came together, right? Because you're looking at this expansive view of it. And that is very necessary, I think, project management mein. As much as it is for deadlines, it's also for giving you a vision.
Creative, etc.
Yeah,
yes.
okay, like ye khatam ho, okay, you know, this can be something.
Another place my obsessive compulsive disorder is a big help.
यार मरो तो नहीं यार. This is not fair. Damn it.
You know, I mean, casting is 90% of your film, really, in terms of performances. You get the right people and magic just starts to happen. But if you like miscast or, you know, you're like kind of 50% there, तो वो नहीं कभी भी बैठती चीज़. So I think everyone that I was looking at kind of had to be that person in a way, you know.
इसकी origin थी ये थी कि जब से हम लोगों ने ब्रांड शुरू किया था तब से दिमाग में ये था शहजाद रॉय has been our brand is our brand ambassador for life. तो वो जो एक लाइन थी ना, मेरी सेहत का राज है मेरी सेहत, goes perfectly with शहजाद. We had that primordial line और उसके बाद से we had to work everything backwards.
He was very adamant कि ये शहजाद ही कर सकता है. Also because
सारी
if you
memes.
consider वो जो thread viral हुई थी
Yeah,
Twitter
yeah,
वगैरह
yeah,
पे, and even on Reddit, there's a lot of conversation about what the secret to his
Yeah.
agelessness is. हाँ,
There's only two people, right? Shahzad and Manur Baloch, right? So we all know that. So Shahzad was our brand ambassador, made sense.
Right. So that was, you know, there was no other alternative there.
Initially, Amjad was nowhere on the horizon. हम एक और ad film record कर रहे थे हमारी brand की, जिसके अंदर जावेद साहब जो अमजद का character है was playing the villain, the antagonist उसके अंदर. So I remember like Jamal and I were looking at each other and we said कि यार कितना अच्छा होगा अगर ये कोई detective या किसी किस्म का वो जो bumbling protagonist नहीं बनता वो बन जाए. And from there on, the ideation process started.
Initially, we thought because we were shooting this ad with two people, Javed Saab and another actor. And we thought we would do a buddy cop story with the two of them. And then the Shahzad thing was also happening. And then the Javed Saab idea was kind of floating around. And all of that coagulated into this one thing. My producer Zohaib introduced us to Phoenix Talent, and they basically got all of these guys together, and we sat for a full week just going over
auditions.
Live auditions. Yeah. And I'm big on auditions because if you don't see the person act out the role, you don't really know from a photograph.
You'd be surprised how many ads get shot without auditions. Audition की clip आती है जो उसने कभी 4 साल पहले दिया होता है, जब बंदा set पे आता है, it's not even the same guy anymore.
Yeah, the whole appearance has
changed. The whole appearance has changed.
And it's so important also to meet with people when you're casting them because, you know, you so many things you don't see in a little video or a little photograph. And then when I audition, I always try different things with these actors. Okay, is tarah karke dikhaye ya ye karke dikhaye, whatever, right? That shows how flexible they are, how quick thinking they are, how well they can understand direction, etc. The kid was so good. She nailed her take. Like, 2-3 takes.
2 takes, she's gone home.
Yeah.
Like, so she did it.
She came in last minute.
Yeah, she came in last minute. 9 बजे phone किया कि जी भेज दें.
एक बच्ची की 10 साल की बच्ची चाहिए हमें 2-3 घंटे में भेज दें.
Yeah.
We got a few videos. That was the only one we actually got.
That was a last minute
on,
character write-in as well.
Yeah, on video.
Because he had a really nice line come in, and we said कि यार ये line ज़रूरी है कि वो जो है ना कि मैं चाहती हूँ मैं बड़े होकर शहजाद रॉय बनूँ, लेकिन क्या करें वो खुद ही
Actually,
बड़े
that
नहीं हो
line
रहे.
was given to the superfan Pele. Yes. And then on the day we decided, you know what? Maybe this should be a 10-year-old kid.
Yeah. कि छोटी बच्ची हो ना, तो that's pretty funny because वो बड़ा होना चाहती है.
Yes.
So that's when we pushed for it, कि like, and calling people at रात के 9 बजे कि like, please arrange talent.
मेरा
और उसमें भी we were going back and forth. We were like,
हाँ.
इसमें भी options दिखाएं.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
Remember
बिल्कुल.
that? He's like, या तो आपको 9 बजे आपको कोई talent मिल सकता है, आप options देख लें. But then
यही
we
है
had to-
हमारे पास इसमें से कुछ निकालने,
Yeah.
but somehow we got the right
आखिरी
person.
बार कह रहा हूं अमजद, ये कोई आम केस नहीं है.
और ना ही मैं कोई आम डिटेक्टिव हूं सर.
From the get-go, the idea was to hire the best creatives we could get. There was never any compromise ke either kam kar lo, either kaat lo, whatever. It was like, okay, you know what? Like on the script, we had 4 of us writing, Babar and I, and then Namra Sikandar and Bilal Atif also contributed quite largely. And so it was always like the ideation process, the kind of people we were hiring to get on our team was like all the people that are really good at what they do.
Yeah. And they
At
like
the
the
best.
story.
हाँ.
So one of the reasons why you write a script is also one of the driving forces of a script is कि उनको वाकई में पसंद आई हुई थी. So they could relate to the tropes, they could relate to the humor, and give them a genuine chance to do it. तो उसमें मुझे काफी it's quite a nice creative stretch of her legs, I would say.
So also Mo Azmi was pivotal in getting the look of the film right, because film noir is so much about chiaroscuro or lighting. It's sort of dark shadows and bright hard light, and we wanted to find a more modern version of that. So he was pivotal in getting that look right, and as always, it's great working with him because he brings so much film knowledge to the project, and at every turn he can whip out references and ideas and things. So it's really, really important to have someone like that on your team who can constantly, sort of push the ideas forward and offer new insights and strategies in terms of tackling that. And so look and feel to mere liye bahut zaruri thi, especially considering the genre. One thing that I really like to do, and something that you also mentioned, is you create an environment on set as director where ideas can flow and happy accidents can happen. It's not so much that we're kind of doing something so drastically different, but within that moment, koi nayi cheez sooj jati hai. You're kind of improvising the line, or the actor does something and it gives you an idea. There was a lot of that conversation happening, which in fact, because we were all so aligned and we all share the same kind of humor, it really impacted in a beneficial way each of those performances.
Set पे जब हमने shoot किया, we shot the last set scene पहले, और उसमें जब we walked onto the set, it looked very much like it would the way you guys saw it. उसके ऊपर lighting उसी पर controlled थी है वो. And there was a process that we implemented जहाँ पे हम सारी feeds Wi-Fi के ऊपर उसी वक्त on the fly iPads पे देख रहे होते थे, और उस पे जमाल की टीम ने लट भी लगाया हुआ था, like a color grade process भी लगाया हुआ था, so we could tell कि this is exactly how the end film will look like, with obviously color grading and other things to account for. Like,
We're very close to what
very
we were
close
seeing
to
on the
like how
set,
we
yeah.
wanted it, so we were actually seeing the film as it was being shot. But I think this was tailored done usi waqt, which gave us a lot of confidence.
Yes.
Seeing the scenes,
But
seeing
also,
the
I think the
sets.
confidence was instilled from the very beginning, because it's not like we said, we don't know what's going to work, so let's do 8 different versions of that. Aisa nahi tha. We were like, okay, these are the things that are going to work. We're going to stick to that. And so we didn't shoot anything extra. The only things that we shot that were extra that didn't make it to the cut were more car shots. I got a lot of different car shots just in case, because uska thoda sa tha ki depending on how and where we want to put that shot, I would like options. Other than that, every single scene, we were very confident कि ये ही है. The sentiment कि तुम लोग पागल हो was, I think, prevalent throughout. Even in the crew, everyone was like, this is fun, but, you have to be pretty crazy to pull this off.
वरना एक दफ़ा वो process stifle हुआ, or we introduced fear into the process, or we introduced worry into the process, then the process is done.
We were very particular about every prop that was used in the world. We were very particular about the tonality of the wood, किस किस्म का desk है, उस पर lamp क्या है, गाड़ी की सीटें कैसी हैं. We were also very particular, like on the location itself, the doors were actually quite modern in the downstairs area, if you recall. वो हमने दरवाज़ा बिल्कुल black में shoot किया था कि नज़र ना आए, right? So just trying to maintain the visual consistency of that world. And even in terms of how we framed it, we wanted to make sure that the realism was there. एक छोटी सी चीज़ भी off हो जाए ना, suddenly, unconsciously, the audience can be zapped out of that world. So that immersion is very important. And every single thing had to be, even, like things like Amjad's wardrobe. As he's becoming more and more frustrated with the case, and he's at his wits end. उसका हुलिया भी खराब हो रहा है और सारा,
Style, if you notice, loose होती जाती है, collar थोड़ा disheveled होता
Yeah,
जाता
and
है.
these are notes we have on the script, right? कि
yes.
इस scene में ऐसे होगा, अगले scene में ये होगा, वो होगा. So a lot of attention to detail to me.
Oh, let me remember, like वो जो Ludo Brothers वाला scene था.
Numan Kashif worked really hard on getting those textures right, because it had to look like a grotty, grimy basement, right? वो डब्बों पे वो mold
Pallets
लगी हुई
पड़े
है.
हुए हैं और
हाँ.
पुराने वो पड़े हुए हैं. There's just like a dingy basement जिसके अंदर
Yes.
से वो खेल रहे हैं.
Yes, मेरी actually बड़ी pet peeve है कि we build these sets and environments, they look so pristine, but what about having a world that's lived in, a place that actually has its own character? So उधर मतलब जो गंद पड़ा हुआ है वो क्या चीज़ें हैं? अगर character कोई किताब पढ़ रहा है तो वो किताबें उधर specific
He's a
होनी
criminal. He's not going to be very sanitary.
चाहिए. Exactly, that's the association. A lot of time of the film is spent in the office, so we really wanted. एक तो वो main office है जहाँ पे the opening kind of sequence happens when he's getting the second best wala award, and then Amjad's own office. We really wanted the office to have that kind of noir वाले जो blinds होते हैं उसमें से वो कट करके light आती है. There's a certain kind of furniture.
We also wanted it to be South Asian enough.
हाँ, वो पीछे जो locker पड़े होते हैं,
Yeah.
वो बहुत ज़रूरी था कि it should also look like it's Pakistan. So जो वो कुर्सियाँ केन की कुर्सियाँ पड़ी
बिल्कुल
हुई
ऐसा ही
हैं,
है.
so it's
जो green वाला lamp पड़ा होता है.
green वाला
library
lamp
का
जो हर दफ्तर में
yes,
होता है.
yes.
It had to be kind of rooted as well in that sense. और जो हमारी फाइलें भी थी सारी, वो रस्सी से बंधी भी होती हैं.
हाँ, और मेरे लिए तो वो जो that whole set had to be very well done, क्योंकि that kind of in video game analogy there is like a save room. वो हमेशा हर थोड़ी देर बाद वापस अपने दफ्तर आता है, फिर
GoldenEye
जाता है,
theme plays
yes.
in the background.
हाँ, फिर वापस आता है, चीफ से पूछता है. या also because there was about 8 characters जो कि उस ऑफिस में थे, so we had to write inside actors जो कि एंटागनिस्ट किस्म के थे. वो जो बंदा कहता है कि मुझे अवार्ड नहीं मिला, हर ऑफिस में एक होता है ना. हर ऑफिस में there's a hater.
He was so good. That hater should get a side quest, side story.
The grand finale वाला रूम
Shahzad
जहाँ
study.
पे आखिर में रिवील होता है कासल में कहाँ बैठा हुआ है, पियानो क्यों बजा रहा
I
है.
wanted a really big fire in a hearth which Shahzad stands against, but वो fire hazard थी studio
बड़ा
में
मसला
कर नहीं
था.
सकते थे.
तो वो लेकिन वो रूम भी like it had to be again moonlight आ रही है.
And that was a set. So we actually, everything in the mansion was on location. And then when he walks through that door, that portion is a set. So we really had to work hard to make sure that all of the details match.
वो even छोटे nuances of production design, like हमें शहजाद की सर्विलेंस फोटोज अब हमें कहाँ से मिलनी थी, राइट?
Yeah, we
तो
had to
वो
get
वाली
those
बड़ी
shots.
फन एक्सरसाइज थी जहाँ हमजा को भेजा कि यार गो
Get a long lens, shoot
गेट अ
it from
लॉन्ग
a
लेंस, हाँ,
distance.
प्रिटेंड. तो वो सारी क्योंकि उसकी इंटरोगेशन फोटोज में भी थी और उसकी ब्रीफिंग में भी थी. बट व्हेन ही वॉकड ऑन सेट ही वाज अ लिटिल
He was a great sport about it.
he was just like okay.
हाँ.
When he walked on the set he understood it. He's like कितने दिनों की शूट हो रही है.
I think he said to me several times, हम लोग ने बहुत मेहनत की.
Yeah,
बहुत
yeah,
मेहनत." I was
yeah.
like, yes,
he
we
did say that, and I had to, and he didn't get his. It took him a little while to understand. I told him it's a 7-day shoot, out of which you were there for only 1 day,
Yeah.
right? Everything else was building up to it.
6 days, but
6-day shoot.
that was also really important that we were doing 6 days, and it was important to manage everyone's morale and energy as well. So we capped every single day at 12 hours. We didn't want to do like 16-hour days. अगले दिन लोग थके हुए आ रहे हैं, they're not able to apply themselves. It was really important for all of us के set पे जो vibe है, it's got to be conducive, encouraging, and really sort of everyone had to be on the same page. That was really, really important. Because वो एक चीज़ ख़राब होना शुरू होती है ना, the entire thing starts to unravel, and then everyone starts to feel off, and the final product suffers. So I'm a real big proponent on managing everyone's morale and their contentment with their work. Everyone should feel valued, that they're doing the job that they are meant to do and they feel good about, and that their contribution is important. Ye sari cheezein, because the process for me, even the way that we were all working, is all very collaborative. It's all very supportive. When that happens, the final thing is kind of magic in a way. That's so important to me. Also, my AD Shafia and second AD Sarim were really good at managing the team. They're really good at scheduling everything, making sure everything got done on time. And there was no lag in that sense. I think
it was
we
a very
were
efficient
very
production उस
efficiently doing
तरीके
it.
से.
Yeah.
So it gets done उसी तरीके से, वरना again comedy doesn't shine
खाना भी
through.
अच्छा था.
खाना was always nice. And simple, अच्छा.
Yeah.
Like साफ सुथरा.
And these things matter, you know, because I really believe every single person's vibe adds to or subtracts from the thing that you're making.
मिला तो सिर्फ एक सवाल, शहजाद की सेहत का राज जरूर को पता होगा, लेकिन कौन है, कहाँ है, क्यों है?
We were trying different things. There was a portion that was not fitting in the edit, and we were trying to figure out how we're going to make it work. And he just randomly said, because this is the scene where Amjad is sitting and thinking about, kya hai ye Firdaus? What is this like clue, right? And so he said, it would be really funny because Danish Ali, who plays the ex-manager, was so good. And he gave us so many good takes that it was really hard to pick the one take. He's like, what if we use the other takes and just cut to him every time he says Firdaus? And the two of us, I think हम कोई 45 minutes हंसते रहे थे once we kind of put it together. It was so funny for us. That was not scripted. That was something entirely written in the edit. So we actually spent a lot of time getting the film right. Initially, because मुझे personally थोड़ा सा ये fear था कि हाँ ये 14 minutes पे अगर जा रही है तो ज़्यादा लंबी हो रही है. So I tried to do an 8-minute cut with Shahzeb Hussain and I were editing the film. And उसमें मसला ये था कि बहुत compressed और बहुत rushed चीज़ें होती थी. The jokes weren't landing, you know, the characters weren't kind of getting the right kind of screen time. So actually I brought it to you, Baba, and you were like, listen, इसको क्यों 8 minutes पे कर रहे हो? ये जहाँ जा रही है जाने दो.
I told him खोल दो.
Now we've made the film as it is and it needs whatever it needs. So in terms of pacing it, get it to a place that
because 8 minutes is as arbitrary as 12 minutes.
It might
you know,
as well
there's
be
no
14 minutes.
benchmark.
Right. Well, after the first cut, I went back and really reworked each of the scenes slowly and you know meticulously trying to get the timing right. उसमें ये था कि जब 12 मिनट पे आई तो it didn't feel like it was you know dragging at any point, and that's what the sweet spot was for us. So, and we played it for a bunch of people at the office. We played it for my own team, वगैरह, to see कि you know are we missing something? Objectively, लोगों को क्या उसमें दिख रहा है? So a lot of the sort of pacing of the film, in a sense, had to be reworked in the edit. Even though when I was shooting it, we were kind of pacing it according to each scene, according to each joke. We wanted कि अच्छा भी अगर एक बंदे ने पंच लाइन दी है तो कितनी देर उसने वो एक्सप्रेशन होल्ड करनी है, and leaving some room for the joke to land and for laughter and all of that. Those things were in the scene itself, but then where to find that edit point, you know, where to leave people. Some people you leave a little earlier, some people you stay a little longer. The class fellow joke, wanted to kind of leave it a little bit. The
lever smiling. पहले सब कुछ बहुत जल्दी कट रहा था.
The cook, we wanted to, you know, and then some other ones were quicker. Just like, ठीक है, just we get the point and we don't want to stay too long at that.
And also because the good jokes are so, जैसे मैंने साहब को कभी साहब के ऐसी तो कोई डाइट नहीं है, मैंने तो उनको चीनी भी खाते हुए देखा है and Japani bhi. You need a second to process it.
Yes, and also like getting the timing right of
him smiling.
Or Japani being getting that smile.
Giving us the DBSC smile.
Yeah, that was important to get right on set, and then it was important to get right in the edit as well. So yeah, in that sense, I think we really spent a lot of time getting that pacing down. And then after that, when the color grade and the VFX stuff happened, we had a few CG shots that we wanted to put in, like the car overhead shot. I was really happy with Danish's work on that. And even things like removing the background from some of the car shots. पीछे Clifton Block 2 हटा रहे थे. That stuff took some time.
पीछे हमारी होटल था.
पीछे हमारी होटल था. And even the mansion itself, it was extended upwards. It was a single story building and we made it like 2 stories.
Yeah.
Things like that
the lightning
had a lot of, we paid a lot of attention to. And then the grade, I was very, very careful in not just getting a sort of consistent look for the entire film, but also like every single shot and the color and contrast and everything within that. It really had to be true to film noir. and उस पर काफ़ी ज़्यादा back and forth. We tested on various devices, different kinds of phones, different kinds of tablets, TVs, laptops, हर चीज़ पे test करके हमने उसको देखा था. So a lot of work went into that. Like I approached this entire thing as I would have a short film. And so everything had to be done to a standard that was far above and beyond, like, not to put anything down, but, we really wanted to achieve a standard here. And
It's not a drama production नहीं थी.
there was an idea that the film will take as much time as it needs in post to get it to a place.
Yes.
Once it's there, then we figure out the next move. It's really helpful to actually have all of that knowledge of how music and audio and especially sound for film works. So I was able to really get a good team together. We had Sarmat Kapoor doing all of the music. I knew he was the one to do it because he's so versatile. He's very quick. He is able to understand the sort of references that I gave him before he even watched a single frame. He knew exactly, we talked about Inspector Gadget, we talked about Inspector Clouseau, we talked about Mission Impossible, all of those references. And he was literally, I think, 4 usne iterations bheji hongi. All of them were great. And one was better than all the other ones. So Sarmat did a goth version of Teri Surat on piano. So if you listen to the music that's playing when I'm just walking in through the mansion and when he approaches Shahzad, the melody is Teri Surat, and it's so well done. And it really sounds like Dracula in his castle playing his organ or whatever. But he did a fantastic job.
I sent it to Shahzad उस वक्त before the scene. He's like, तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो? And he was
I think until he saw the film, he was just like, तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो?
yeah, for sure.
Adil Tahir did all of the Foley and the sound effects, and he did a bang-up job. Because even things like footsteps and small shuffles and things like that, they add to the realism of the scene. आपको पता नहीं लगता because you're not conscious about it. But if anytime those sounds are a little bit off, एकदम से कुछ you get snapped out of that, right? So it's very nuanced and very intricate work, and Adil did a great job with that. And because the work was so kind of nuanced and detail oriented, right? It was just, and it was drawn out. I think 5 minutes total lage the hame from writing the script in the beginning to all the way to the film ending and launching. It's about constant work. There's no letting up, and we really just wanted to get it right, and that was the main thing. Ki isko, let's not cut any corners, no compromises. Get it to the best place it can possibly.
Because once there was even 2 phases of editing. एक तो उसने वो आपका रफ काटा था, फिर आपकी डिटर्मिनेशन हुई थी लेंथ की. उसके बाद से there was this whole process of the voice over recording. डिटेक्टिव अमजद की जो वॉइस है, वो जो फिल्म नोआर की टिपिकल वॉइस है, उसमें तो मतलब हम खुद बैठ के खुद वॉइस ओवर्स कर रहा था मैं स्टूडियो में लूडो ब्रदर्स पे जब वो आ रहे होते हैं. सो वी हैड टू गेट द टाइम, द टोन, द टाइमिंग राइट, द टोन राइट. एंड देन हमें कुछ सीन्स उल्टे वो करने पड़े, रिवर्स इंजीनियर के. हम लोगों ने सीन सेट कर लिए थे, द सीन्स लुक गुड, बट इट वाज गिविंग अस लाइक 3 seconds फॉर लाइक अ मोनोलॉग टू नरेट ओवर इटसेल्फ. तो हमें 3 सेकंड की लाइन लिखनी पड़ी थी. बट वी ऑल्सो सेट कि अच्छा, क्योंकि साउंड ट्रैक बहुत अच्छा है, तो फिर आप अपना इंट्रो सीक्वेंस डाल दो.
That opening sequence has to be really fun and really kind of, that one last line that he says, pops his collar and says, किसी को चोट तो नहीं है, which Bilal Atif wrote is a great line.
Yeah.
It really had to kind of encapsulate the character कि वो है भी अच्छा, but वो नहीं भी है अच्छा at his job. And then kind of the title that comes right after that sets the tone for the rest of the film.
Right. So so again, lots of छोटी details वहाँ पे, जैसे कि we also wanted him to be slightly obese detective, right? हमने ना we equated him standing in a typical uncle pose to an hourglass figure. फिर वहीं से वो coalesce करते हैं. So the animation team did a great job of creating those visuals. Amjad punching was Isaiah, the girl was Zubaida. So
the silhouettes,
right? Silhouettes were so it was very easy to just green screen them. Niche bula lein, kar lein. We are lucky to have in-house creatives, and then we are lucky to have Jamal अपनी creative teams के साथ. तो जो भी चीज़ last minute करनी थी, हम लोगों ने खुद figure out कर ली उस चीज़ को. Whether it's writing the thing, whether it's green screening a title sequence, creating it, going back and forth.
शहजाद रॉय।
बड़े लोगों ने कोशिश की, लेकिन इस मंजिल तक कोई और नहीं पहुंच पाया सिवाय तुम्हारे अमजद। शाबाश।
सो वंस दैट वाज डन, तो इसका सबसे मुश्किल काम था, हमारे पास कोई प्रेसिडेंट नहीं था मार्केटिंग का कि हम कहीं उसको स्टडी कर सकें, कोई केस स्टडी हो कि इसको मार्केट कैसे करना है. इफ़ इट्स गुड कंटेंट, देयर इज़ नो एज बार टू व्हाट यू कैन वॉच, राइट? सो हमें टिकटॉक पे भी डालना था, विच इज़ अ ड्रास्टिकली डिफरेंट ऑडियंस दैन लेट्स से लिंक्डइन. सो व्हाट वी डिसाइडेड टू डू वाज टू फोल्ड. हम लोगों ने कहा कि इसकी मार्केटिंग कैंपेन इस तरीके से बनाते हैं कि हमने डिटेक्टिव अमजद के कैरेक्टर को ज़्यादा कमीडिक वेट देना है. So we are going to launch the Detective Amjad character. He's going to have his own jokes. He's going to have his persona. We're going to create that persona for a good 2 to 3 weeks before we launch his movie. अब हमें dilemma ये था कि as a marketing entity, मेरी सेहत के अपने पेज पे 500,000 fans हैं. So हम अपना बहुत बड़ा funnel लेके, मैं Facebook, Instagram की बात कर रहा हूँ, हम अपना funnel लेके हम उसको खुद ही restrict कर रहे थे और constrict कर रहे थे by creating a separate media vehicle, by aggregating some fans to it, and then by expecting कि जी ये concurrently film launch करेंगे. And we had to do that, but उसी चीज़ का हमने gamble लिया कि the quality of person who would be on even diminished state में would be a lot higher than your general audience. That is, मेरी सेहत की audience may not really care about the creative content of the movie. So Detective Amjad साहब को बनाया, उसके साथ जोक्स रिकॉर्ड किए. यू रोट अ फ्यू, हमजा रोट अ फ्यू, तरीम रोट अ फ्यू, आई रोट अ फ्यू. एंड देन उसकी इनकी वीडियोस पे कोई मेरे ख्याल में 1 मिलियन व्यूज़ पर वीडियो आ रहे
For that
थे.
first one,
Yeah,
the
for that
introductory
first one.
yeah.
And then the other one was getting 500,000 views, and then TikTok was going insane, and then it was just a thing on its own. Where half of the inboxes, where people really started to understand the jokes. They were dad jokes, they were little, you know, we would make puns, we would make funny jokes, dad jokes, उनको समझ में आ रही थी, right? And the quality of comment that we were getting was an intelligent one.
ये भी ख्याल है कि काफ़ी हद तक, you know, digital is so new to us, even globally. What are the things that we're putting out there on digital that can really have an impact? We don't know. We don't know that a 14-minute ad can actually be a fun, entertaining watch. That's something completely unprecedented.
तो marketing में, so it was it's fun because then we said कि अच्छा ठीक है, so we have the Detective Amjad character, then we have the मेरी सेहत page, then we had शहजाद का अपना page, and then मुझे इतना बुरा लग रहा था कि उसको फिर हम मज़ीद convince कर रहे हैं कि अब वो जो ridiculous movies बन चुकी हैं और trailers बन चुके हैं और वो सारी चीज़ें बन चुकी हैं, अब तुम Pink Panther की theme हमजा गया था शूट करके आ रहा, so you know, so he was actively promoting it as well. And साथ में marketing में what we did was we said कि जी lest people forget, हमने अपनी memes ही बना के शहजाद के खिलाफ. So we restarted the trend. Well, it's funny because we wanted to make fun of ourselves as well. कि one man, one desire, passion, something have nothing to do with this movie, right?
And paid testimonial.
Yeah, and we लिख रहे हैं कि बहुत तारीफें करें, नीचे बड़ा लिख रहे हैं paid testimonial. We're like, we want the trailer to not take itself seriously so that there is a containment of people's expectations. तो हमने concurrently भेज दिया because the audiences are completely different. So we launched the ad from 2 different platforms एक साथ. Consequently, Amjad ka got about 25% of the views total, and Meri Sehat ka got the bulk of the views. We engaged other influencers to talk about Amjad, not the movie, not Meri Sehat. So we had Faiza Salim talk about it. Who else was there? We had Faiza Salim mention it, right? कि Detective Amjad है, फिर Detective Amjad ने मेरा ये कर लिया. फिर जब DVC release हुई, then your influencers are talking about the hilarity of it, then you have your other publications talking about it, so that you are building traffic up to Detective Amjad as a mascot for वो, and that worked out very well for us. उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि within 5 days of the campaign launch, we had an aggregated 28 million views across all platforms for all of our creative collaterals. So what is very important to impress upon people is कि वो जब रिलीज़ होती है और उसके 2 हफ्ते के बाद आर constant battle. चाहे आपने comment moderation करनी है, चाहे आपने public relations करनी है, चाहे आपने वो करनी है, and the entire team came to a cadence where they were doing it themselves. Like there was no whip. There's
वो
no,
इतना मोमेंटम था
हाँ,
उसका
हाँ,
अपना
कि
के
वो खुद कर रहे थे
हाँ.
because they're also thespians and actors within the movies themselves. They were also writing the captions. So marketing भी देख रहे थे. So total marketing में 3 से 4 लोग थे. That's it, including me. Tareem, Filza, half of Aticha, half of Babur. Right, but that's the extent of it, and then Hamza full time. तो ये
Right.
3 लोग थे और हम लोग आधा करके कह लो कि 5 लोग थे और half of Jamal. In summation, what has happened is we've created an expensive problem for ourselves क्योंकि ad चल गया.
आगे क्या करना है?
Yeah, so it means it's follow-ups and stuff, but like what is great is as a precedent, at least if you start from the celebrity angle, a lot of our celebrities in Pakistan play themselves instead of the character. Sure, कुछ ड्रामों में होते हैं, अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स में ढाल देते हैं अपने आप को, but generally they're playing themselves. Like, you know, they're not the way Shahzad would do a meta version of himself and then play himself playing himself, right? So I hope that sets a precedent. I hope sound engineering, sound design, art direction, but more importantly and most importantly, जो हमारा Achilles heel है, screenplay and script writing and concept writing. Should be back at the forefront of your discussions if you have, or at least आपके radar पे priority wise होना चाहिए. What we do next is we are beholden to do creative stuff. I'm not sure what we'll do it, but I really personally like the Detective Amjad series. I like
Yeah.
Shahzad Roy
हाँ.
in that role, and I like the fact that he's kind of a funny detective now. He's been established, you know.
And there's so much that can be done with
So
that.
much that can be done with the world. So many ways Meri Sehat can be integrated into it.
Yeah.
That even if it doesn't directly integrate into it, it's a by association wali cheez. The
And
way
that's very powerful.
Coke Studio does it. Right?
Exactly.
So once you have good content, you have eyeballs.
But also, I just want to add, I hope it also, like, the precedent of the success of this film means that the kind of content that brands are making also now changes. You know, there's an appetite for it. There's people who are good at creating that stuff, and there's an audience for it. So I think brands just need to step in and step up and be like, okay, you know, we want to do something different. We want to do something adventurous. बाकी चीज़ें तो हम करते ही रहते हैं. There's enough room for. I think a large portion of this for me was, especially towards the end, once the film was done, there was a sort of, this can go either which way for me personally as a director, because if this fails, then it's such a big gamble for me कि कोई नहीं उसके बाद मुझे hire करेगा.
So क्योंकि हम फंस गए.
But fortunately उससे बचत होगी. But you know, there's a lot of precedents that have gone into this that can be a good learning from anyone, like students, professionals at every level, in different roles, and even the audience. I think it's really important to हम करते ही है ना कि if you like something, you vote for it. If it's like a cinema, you're going to watch a film, you vote for it by buying tickets. But if it's something online, you vote for it by watching it, giving it likes and whatnot. So if this is something that people like and they want more of, then we need to see that, and we've seen that through the success of the film itself. And I hope that has some kind of a ripple effect, and that changes people's opinions and perspectives on things. Students can learn from it, brands can learn from it, filmmakers can learn from it. I hope it kind of affects change enough that, you know, the industry grows, that there are new things that are being done that are bold and adventurous. That part would be very exciting for not just us, but also for the audience.
शहजाद रॉय, आपकी सेहत का राज क्या है?
मेरी सेहत का राज मेरी सेहत का राज मेरी सेहत है. यहां आप अपनी सेहत का राज पाकिस्तान के सबसे काबिल डॉक्टर्स और उम्दा हेल्थ पैकेजेस के जरिए जान सकते हैं.